probably watching this because at some point you thought, wait, is my slow cooker actually leaching junk into my food? And once you think that, you can't unthink it. I had that moment after a stew tasted weirdly chemical, and it sent me down a rabbit hole. So today, I'm breaking down the 5 best non-toxic Crockpot style cookers I found, from decent to absolutely awesome, so you can upgrade once and never worry about mystery coatings again. 5. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. You know, that silver pot everyone's aunt recommends at Thanksgiving? The big win here is that the inner pot is made from food-grade 18-8 304 stainless steel with a 3-ply bottom, not a Teflon-style nonstick coating, which is a huge step up if you're trying to avoid questionable chemicals in contact with your food. That stainless inner pot deals really well with soups, stews, beans, and broths, and it doesn't stain or hold on to smells the way some cheaper coatings do. The fact that it's pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, warmer, and more all in one makes it a solid first non-toxic upgrade if you're coming from a random cheap slow cooker. In day-to-day use, the Duo is reliable. Set your stew, walk away, and it quietly does its thing. The stainless pot gives you peace of mind, and once you get used to the pressure cook modes, you can crank out beans or broth way faster than a classic crock pot. Cleanup is straightforward because there's no fragile non-stick layer to baby, and you can scrub the stainless if something sticks a bit. It's that workhorse appliance that doesn't scream fancy but shows up when you need it. Now, here's where I'm a bit more critical. As a slow cooker specifically, the Instant Pot Duo is just okay. The heat distribution is designed more for pressure cooking, so sometimes low and slow recipes don't develop quite the same depth of flavor as in a dedicated slow cooker. 4. GreenPan Elite 14-in-1. GreenPan is known for their ceramic nonstick, and this unit uses a PFAS-free ceramic nonstick interior, which means it's made without the forever chemicals that freak a lot of people out. The coating is infused with diamonds for extra durability and better heat conduction, which sounds like marketing fluff, but in practice it does heat very evenly and releases food like a dream. In actual cooking, this thing is ridiculously versatile. You get 14 presets: slow cook, sauté, steam, rice, bake, and more, so it can genuinely replace several countertop appliances if you want to keep things minimal. Being able to brown meat in the same pot before slow cooking is a big flavor upgrade. You sear your beef, deglaze, drop in your veg, hit slow cook, and you're done. No extra pan, no juggling. And because of that ceramic interior, sticky recipes like cheese dips or thick sauces don't adhere the way they would to stainless. They slide right out, which is just satisfying. The non-toxic angle is strong here, PFAS-free, no traditional Teflon-type coating, and a brand that leans heavily into safer materials marketing. If you've been side-eyeing your old non-stick crock insert, this feels like a big sigh of relief. You get that smooth, easy clean surface without signing up for the usual chemical alphabet soup. Cleanup really is easy. Usually a quick wipe or a gentle sponge is enough, and that makes you way more likely to actually use it on busy days. Breville Fast Slow Pro. This one is for the person who wants precision, control, and that Breville chef gear feel. The housing is brushed stainless steel, and the cooking bowl uses a ceramic coating rather than a traditional PTFE nonstick, so again, you're avoiding most of the usual suspects in older nonstick linings. It's designed as a multifunction pressure cooker and slow cooker, so you're getting both speed and low and slow in one machine. What stands out immediately is how it handles pressure and temperature. You get multiple pressure levels and very fine control, so if you're the type who notices the difference between kind of tender and perfectly silky beans, this matters. The lid is removable and dishwasher safe, and the ceramic-coated bowl doubles as a serving dish, which is one of those small quality-of-life things you really appreciate once you've used it a few times. It feels like Breville actually thought through the workflow from cooking to table to cleanup. In slow cooker mode, the Fast Slow Pro does a better job than the Instant Pot Duo at mimicking that classic Crockpot texture and flavor. The heating feels more even, and you have more control over time and temperature. That means your low and slow meals hit more consistently without you having to constantly adjust and experiment. For non-toxic concerns, the stainless exterior and ceramic interior give you a solid balance of durability and safer surfaces. Is it perfect? Not quite. For one, it's not the cheapest option, and you definitely feel like you're paying for the Breville name and all the smart controls. 2. Magnifique Claypot Multi-Cooker. If you've ever had food cooked in real clay, you know there's this deep, almost earthy flavor that metal and conventional nonstick just can't touch. This cooker uses a pot made from 100% pure clay with no toxic coatings, and it's third-party tested for safety, which is a huge green flag if your main worry is chemicals leaching into your food. The way pure clay cooks is different. It heats more gently and retains moisture in a really unique way, so slow-cooked dishes come out with this rich, rounded flavor and really tender texture. You can sauté, cook rice, braise, and of course slow cook, all in the same clay vessel, so you're not constantly swapping between metal and coated pots. For people who want that ancestral cooking vibe in a modern countertop appliance, this hits the sweet spot. From a non-toxic standpoint, this is about as clean as it gets. No PFAS, no PTFE, no mystery bacon coatings, just pure clay that's been engineered into a multi-cooker format. If your top priority is, I want absolutely nothing sketchy between my food and the heat, it's hard to argue with this approach. The brand leans into that ethos: safe, toxin-free, high heat resistant, and built to last for generations if you treat it properly. Now, the "if you treat it properly" part is important. Pure clay isn't a throw-it-around material. There's usually a seasoning or curing process. You need to respect temperature changes, and you don't bang it in the sink or hit it with cold water right out of a hot cook. Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Pro. This is the one that, for most people, hits the best balance between non-toxic materials, versatility, ease of use, and everyday practicality. The inner pot uses a ceramic-type nonstick coating that's made without PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, or cadmium, so you get a nonstick surface without the usual chemical red flags. You also get a big 8.5 quart capacity, which is perfect if you cook for a family, meal prep, or love having leftovers. Function-wise, it's kind of wild how much this one appliance can replace. You can slow cook, braise, sauté, steam, and more, and you can sear and brown directly in the pot before going low and slow, which is exactly what you want for flavor. It's designed to simplify those multi-step recipes. Brown your roast, add stock and veggies, switch to slow cook, and forget it for hours. The heating feels even, and the pot shape is roomy enough that you don't get weird hot spots or cramped ingredients. From a non-toxic standpoint, Ninja does something important here. They're explicit that the interior has no added PFOAs, lead, or cadmium, and that the nonstick is designed to be safer while still being easy to clean. That combination, a clearly labeled PFAS-style free coating and genuinely good cooking performance, is why it slides into the top spot. You're not forced to choose between safe and actually enjoyable to cook on. It gives you both.